Hello, this is Infinity Baba, and you are watching Infinity Heist. Here is very fun number puzzle. You start out with 3 identical copies of each number, and you need to make it to 6. The puzzle is to make each equation true using common mathematical operations. There are just 2 rules. First, you cannot introduce any new digit. So for example, the operation of cube root would not be allowed because it involves the digit 3. The second rule is very simple. You must have result equal to 6. You cannot use the not equal to symbol. I thank all of you who make it try and provide me more solutions. And I assure my videos will make you so smart that even difficult problems will become easy to you. And you will see people asking for harder problems. It's the best proof these videos are teaching math to the people around the world. So can you figure it out? So give this a puzzle a try, and when you're ready, keep watching the video for a solution. So how can we solve this puzzle? Some of the equations have multiple answers. I'm only presenting some of the solutions. You might have found another creative method. Let everyone know in the comment section. We start from easy and go to the harder one. Let's start with 2 to the equals 6. We can solve this by using the equation 2 plus 2 plus 2, which gives us 6. So we have already figured out one. Now 6 is also similar. We can take 6 plus 6 minus 6 to get to the result 6. We can also do 6 times 6 over 6, which gives us 6. Now let's solve for 7 equals to 6. We can do this 7 minus 7 over 7, which gives us 6. We get a very similar solution for 5. We can take 5 plus 5 over 5 equal to 6. Now let's solve for 3 is equal to 6. One way to solve this is 3 times 3 minus 3 is equal to 6. But actually there is several more solutions to this. Another one is 3 factorial plus 3 minus 3, which gives us 6. We can also do 3 factorials times 3 over 3. And we can do something like the square root of the quantity 3 times 3, and then we can add 3. That's also equal to 6. Now let's solve for 9. One trick we can use, let's take square root of each of the number 9. Since square root of 9 is equal to 3, we have reduced the problem to the earlier one, that is 3 is equal to 6. And this has been previously solved. So we could also solve this as square root of 9 times square root of 9 minus square root of 9. Or we can take quantity square root of 9 factorial plus square root of 9 minus square root of 9. We have some other solutions like square root of 9 factorial times 9 over 9, which gives us 6. Or the quantity square root of 9 times under root of 9 over square root of 9. We take whole thing as factorial of that, and that's also equal to 6. Now let's go for 4, which gives us 6. Once again, we can take square root of each of these numbers. As square root of 4 is 2, we have reduced the problem to the earlier one, that is 2 that has been previously solved. For example, we can take sum of these numbers that's equal to 6. You can also do the quantity 4 minus 4 over 4, and we take the factorial. We can also do square root of 4 plus 4 over 4. We take that entire quantity and take its factorial. Now let's solve for 10, 10, 10. Let's do this in step. We do 10 minus 10 over 10. And at this point, result is 9. We now take square root of this to get to 3. And then we will take the factorial. So that how we can get 10, 10, 10 equals to 6. Now, what's about 1, 1, 1? We notice if we add 3 numbers, we get 3, and then we take the factorial, and that's equal to 6. So now how do we solve for 6 is 000? That's 0, 0, 0 equal to 6. First we take factorial of each of these numbers. Since 0 factorial is equal to 1, we have reduced problem to 1, 1, 1, which is equal to 6. That already has been solved. So we add up these numbers, and then we take the factorial of the sum, that will be equal to 6. Let's give a try for 8, 8, 8, which is equal to 6. Many people consider this as the hardest of all of these equations. So we work in step manner. We take 8 plus 8, and that's equal to 16. We will take square root of that, which is equal to 4. We then take square root of the square root of that will be equal to 2. Now we take 8 minus 2, and that's equal to 6. So that this is one way to solve this. But there is another way. As you could take 8 plus 8 over 8, that would be equal to 9. We then take square root of 9, which will be equal to 3, and then we take the factorial of 3, and that's equal to 6. So that's it for today. We figured out how to get 6 is in each of these equations.